Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Yes, good morning, everyone. So, in the last class, what exactly we had done? Question number 7, I think, huh? Yes, Raghav. Solve question number
Sir,
7. Solve question number 7, everyone, or not?
1 second.
Solve.
Done.
Done or not? Question number 7. Frequency polygon completed.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Question 7 is not complete, sir.
Why not
Meeting is
completed? I
ending.
had explained each and everything. You have to draw the frequency polygon in the graph. मैंने आपको क्लास में भी बताया ना 1 to 6 7 to 12 13 to 18 how to make the discontinuous frequency to continuous frequency continuous class interval मैंने बताया ना आपको so that you have to solve yes or shall I explain again
सर उसको
Yes,
डिसकंटिन्यूअस
sir.
को
shall I
बता
explain
दें
again
सर फ्रीक्वेंसी पॉलीगॉन बता
Yes,
दें
sir.
okay so question number 7 I am solving here you can see so what was our class interval that is number of balls right and number of balls were 0 to 0.5 to 6.5 6.5 to 12.5 12.5 to 18.5 18.5 to 24.5 24.5 to 30.5 30.5 to 36.5 36.5 to 42.5 and 42.5 to 48.5 and 48.5 to 54.5 and 54.5 to 60.5. That was our class interval number of balls and we need to find what? We need to find the class mark. Class mark. How we will find out class mark? Tell me. And here you will write down the frequency of frequency of team A. Here team A and team B. team A and team B. Frequency of team A and team B. Frequency of team A and team B you need to write here. So what is the class mark? First of all, you write down the frequency of team A. That is 218, 218, 945, 945, 610, 6, 6, 10, 6 and 2. And for team B, 5, 6, 2, 10, 5, 6, 2, 10, 5, 6, 2, 10, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4 and 8, 10. 8, 10. Right? यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर है? Is it clear to this state? Yes,
Yes,
tell me
sir.
yes or no. If you
Yes,
see,
sir.
I will not take any GST from you. Okay? कोई टैक्स नहीं लगेगा उसका. If you are attentive in class, you are watching the class. What is? Why you are not saying yes or no? कोई टैक्स लगता है क्या आपको?
सर हम लोग बोल रहे हैं यस यस।
कहाँ बोल रहे? मुझे तो अभी अभी आपकी आवाज आ रही है. Nobody is replying.
Yes,
नो
sir.
सर, मेरे पहले भी बोले बहुत लोगों ने।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only I am listening 2, 3 voices. One from Harit, one from Raghav, one from Krishika, and no other is replying. Okay, 0.5 to 0.5 to 6.5. How did you find out the class mark? How to find out the class mark? Tell me. How to find out the class mark?
Sir, upper limit plus lower limit by 2.
Yes, lower limit plus upper limit by 2. That is 0.5 plus 6.5 by 2.
3.5.
That is 7 by 2.
3.5.
That is 3.5. So this is 3.5. And सबको निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको. What is the difference here? What is the difference here? Difference is 6 na? 6.
6. Yes, sir.
Just keep on adding 6 to this, you will get this. Again, add 6 to this, you will get this last one. So this will be equal to 3.5 plus 6.
9.5.
Good morning, sir.
15.5.
Plus 6, 21.5.
21.5.
6, 27.
Good morning, sir.
27 plus 6, 33.5. 39.5. And 6, that is 45.5. 45 plus 6, 60, 51.5. And that is 51 plus 6, 57.5. That's all. Clear है यहाँ तक सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what we need? We need to draw the graph between class mark and frequency. We will take the class mark on the x-axis and frequency on the y-axis. Actually, frequency is what? Here, the number of balls is scored by the two teams. 6 बॉल में 2 रन बनाया है पहले ने. This is number of runs. Actually, frequency is run. No? This is run. So, we'll start here from here. On x-axis, and on y-axis, this is origin and this is y-axis. Right? This is x-axis. Now, we'll start from 3.5. 3.5 कितने हैं देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. That will be starting from 3.5 3.5 9.5 right? ये हो गया आपका. Now your lowest frequency is 1 and your highest frequency is 10. So you start from 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. This is y-axis. Okay. So draw the frequency polygon for team A. 3.5 is 2. 3.5 by 2. Right? 3.5 by 2. Then 9.5 into 1. 9.5 by 1. 9.5 by 1. Next, 15.5 and 8. 15.5 and 8. 15.5 and 8. This is. Then 21.5 and 9. 21.5 and 9. 21.5 and 9 will be this. Then 27.5 is 4. 27.5 is 4. ये आ गया 4. 33.5 is 5. 33.5 is 5. Sorry. 39.5 and 6. 39.5 and 6. Next 45.5 and 10. 45.5 and 10. Next 51.5 and 6. 51.5 and 6. 51.5 and 6. Next 57.5 and 10. 57.5 and 10. Right? Now join according to your given point. ठीक है 3.5 से आप स्टार्ट करोगे. You will start from 3 point, joining the point from 3.5. 3.5 9.5 के बाद आप 15 वाला आ रहा है. You will join this. Right? Then 21 15 के बाद 21 वाला point. ये नहीं join करना है, join मत करना है. ये join होगा. Then next 27. Then next 33 वाला. Right? Next. Another 44, this one. Then this one. Then last this one. Okay? Now, what we will do for this, we will take the frequency on this side also, ना? ये आपका हो गया -3.5. So you will join this phase. This is joined with this, and last one जो next आपका आएगा, that is next जो आएगा. What will be the next? This will be 57 plus 6, that is 63.5. So this will be joined with this next step. So this is for team A. This is for team A. This frequency polygon is for team A, right? Now, is this clear to everyone?
57. Sir,
Is this clear to
57
everyone?
point.
ये clear है
Sir,
सबको?
about.
Yes.
Sir, 57.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Sir,
Clear.
57.5 10 नहीं ये 280 में.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
57.5 टीम ए में 2 है. 10 नहीं है.
57.5 2 है क्या? 57.5
Yes sir, टीम ए में.
सॉरी 57.5 का हमने ये वाला देख लिया 57.5 से 2 है सॉरी देखो मैं भी ध्यान नहीं दिया कोई भी ध्यान नहीं दिया यस 57.5 is 57.5 is 2 57.5 is this 2 okay so this will be joined with this okay and last one will be joined by this now it is clear सबको क्लियर है नो रिप्लाई
Yes sir. Yes.
यस वेरी गुड ये हो गया फर्स्ट आपका राइट नाउ नेक्स्ट इज फर्स्ट 3.5 वाला 5 3.5 वाला 5 दिस इज 5 राइट देन नेक्स्ट 9.5 is 6 9.5 is 6 ये आ गया 6 आपका मैं इसको ज्वाइन भी कर दिया ताकि मैं कंफ्यूज मत हूं ठीक then 15.5 is 2 15.5 is 2 15.5 is 2 अब मैं इसको डिवाइड करता हूं ठीक है नेक्स्ट और ये डॉटेड स्क्वायर करेंगे विल स्टार्ट विद डॉटेड लाइन so that we can easily distinguish between the team A and team B ये टीम B का हो जाएगा 2 हो गया 21 is 10 21 is 10 21 is 10 ये यहाँ है right 21 is 10 this is 10 we'll join this ये आ गया आपका then 27.5 is 5 27.5 is this is 5 again join this next 33.5 is 6 33.5 is 6 it's 6 here 33.5 is 6 here 6 here join this next 39.5 is 3 39.5 is 3 there is 3 is 3 is 3 then 45.5 is 4 45.5 is 4 45.5 is 4 4 is here 4 is here so join this then 51.5 is 8 51.5 is 8 here 8 here join this right then 57.5 is 10 57.5 is 10 that is last ये आ गया और इसको नेक्स्ट से ज्वाइन करेंगे and this will be joined with here and this will be joined with last point right and this is for team B team B and what will be the scale here the scale will be on x-axis on x-axis on x-axis on x-axis and you can see here difference is 6 but here difference is only 3.5 here you will take the pin sign right here you will take the pin sign okay now on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to, this is what, this is number of balls. This is number of balls. And this is runs, number of runs. Number of runs. So that will be equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 6 runs, no? 6 balls. Because here difference 6 are there, we are taking. ठीक है ना? And on y-axis, you are taking 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 run. 1 run. Right? And the picture will be shown here. Team A and Team B. Team A का डार्क वाला है, लाइट वाला है. This is straight line, and Team B is dotted line. This must be required. This is required so that you can explain the examiner that what graph you are taken for which team. So please note down. सबको समझ में आया?
Sir,
Understood everyone? Yes.
sir, I have doubt.
हाँ बोलो.
How there can be minus 3.5 balls?
हाँ?
Minus 3.5 balls कैसे हो सकते हैं?
Minus 3.5 क्या?
Minus 3.5 बॉल कैसे हो सकते हैं? अपन नेगेटिव साइड लिए ना उसको.
और 3.5 बॉल भी नहीं होता.
अरे ये पॉजिटिव लेना है, ये तो हमको ज्वाइन करने के लिए पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए एक बैक लेना पड़ता है, इसको पूरा नहीं है. That will be equal to 15.5. ये जो आपका जो क्लास इंटरवल आ रहा है ये आएगा, but that is not the equal data क्योंकि एक्स्ट्रा लाइट में हाफ बॉल तो होता नहीं है. नंबर ऑफ बॉल तो हाफ नहीं हो सकता. This is just assumption ना.
Sir, yes sir.
This is not the actual data.
Sir, एग्जाम में ऐसे लिख सकते हैं क्या कि since balls cannot be negative?
जैसी फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन दिया वैसे ही हो गया ना. When the question maker has taken this data na, he or she has not keep in mind that the ball should be in point in decibels. Okay, mathematically this is possible, but practically this is not possible na. How can you throw 6.5 ball or 3.5 ball? आधी बॉल तो फेंक ही नहीं सकते हैं ना. और आधा रन
इसके साथ
प्लीज नोट डाउन.
सर
हाँ जैसे
एग्जाम ऐसे ही सॉल्व करेंगे कि एग्जाम में लिखना पड़ेगा कि since balls cannot be negative, therefore we will not extend graph into minus negative x-axis.
yes Raghav, what is your doubt?
सर मैं हरी
हाँ हाँ बोलो क्या डाउट है.
एग्जाम में ऐसे लिख सकते हैं क्या सर since balls cannot be negative, therefore we will not draw negative of y-axis, but will only touch that x-axis.
No.
Sir,
Yes.
सर एक बार स्केल आपका दिख नहीं रहा है, बता दीजिए ना.
ब्लड दिख रहा है.
तो स्केल क्या है? ऑन एक्स एक्सिस इज इक्वल टू 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू
Just a minute. No? It's working now. Yeah, it's working, sir. कर रहे हैं. अच्छा. ठीक है. यदि यहाँ रहने की प्रॉब्लम है. नहीं मतलब जिस क्लास में उस क्लास में रख रहे थे. ठीक है, ले लो, काम कर रहा है। एक बार आप देख लीजिए, मैं देख लीजिए। हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है ना? Please note down fast. And listen one thing, that is, I'm trying to clear your doubt. Listen, Harit and Raghav, you were asking that. So how it is possible? So really this is not possible. We are discussing because what is this? This is not your this is not your run, na? This is your class mark. You are drawing the graph between class mark and number of runs scored. So this is your class mark. Class mark should be anything. This is not the number of ball. This is class mark. Because we are drawing a polygon is the graph between what? Polygon, frequency polygon is the graph between class mark and number of this frequency. So how will you take this 3.5, 9.5 as balls? Okay. So this is class mark. So you will take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to you can write 6 units, you can write here. Is it clear now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes, sir.
Raghu, अभी clear है? Actually, better
Sir, all clear.
this is the graph between the class mark and frequency, na? So we cannot say that this is balls or runs. Runs is on y-axis and class mark is on x-axis. So shall I have this? Say yes or no. Done?
Yes, sir,
Sir,
complete.
Yes, sir.
And this must be drawn in on graph only, ना? ये आपको ग्राफ में ही बनाना है आपको, रफ में नहीं बनाना है. Now, the next question is very interesting and very important also. A random survey of a number of children of various age group playing in a park and was found as follows. age in years and number of children are given. Okay, question number 8 is very important. It's very important, right? What is given? It is given at age in years and number of children. Number of children. So, what is given here? 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 15, and 15 to 17. Right? Number of children 5 and 3, 6, 12, 9, 10 and 4. Right? So you can see here class interval is also not, class mark is not same here. You can see class width, sorry, class width is not same here. Then what you will do? ये देखो यहाँ पर आपके पास क्लास विड्थ सेम नहीं है. क्लास विड्थ इज 1 ईयर, क्लास विड्थ इज 1 ईयर, क्लास विड्थ इज 2, 2, 3, 5 एंड अगेन 2. जब ऐसा ऑब्जर्वेशन आता है तब क्या करेंगे? व्हाट यू विल डू? राइट, सो वी विल फाइंड
Average frequency.
in such cases what we will do, we will find out the adjusted frequency. Right? How to find out the adjusted frequency? Just I am explaining here. Look, so first of all we will find out the width of the class. We will find out width of the class. Width of the class, width or size of the class, no? Width or size is same. Then we will find out adjusted frequency. Okay, we will find out the adjusted frequency. Adjusted frequency, or you can say length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle. What is rectangle? I am explaining. So, first of all, find out the width. Width will be equal to 1 to 2 cubic feet of 1, 2 to 3, 1, 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 5, 2, 10 minus 7, 3, and 15 minus 10 is 5, and 17 minus 15 is again 2. Right? And how do you find out the length of the rectangle? Length of the rectangle, right? Note down somewhere the very important thing related to this question. Length of the rectangle, length of the rectangle will be equal to that is frequency upon class width, that is frequency upon class width, frequency upon class width of the class width, that is class width, that is class width. So length of the rectangle, that will be equal to frequency upon width, class width into lowest width. Right? Into lowest width. लोएस्ट विड्थ। समझ में आया क्या आपको? हैव यू गॉट दिस और नॉट?
Got it, sir.
Yes. Whenever you are seeing that your class width, whenever you are seeing that your class width of the class interval are not sent everywhere, so you should be very alert. Why you should be very
Sir, document is the answer.
right? Why you should be very alert? In that case, you will have to find out the length of the rectangle is big. When you are going to draw the histogram of this, so in that case, the length of the rectangle will be equal to frequency. This is frequency, and divided by the class width into whatever is the lowest width. What is the lowest width? Lowest width is 1. 1, 2, 3, 5 is also 1, 2, 3, 5 is the lowest code 7 है. So there is a formula, length of the rectangle, or we can write adjusted frequency. You can say adjusted frequency is equal to frequency upon class width into lowest width. So what is the frequency? What is the frequency here? 5 upon class width is 1 into lowest width is 1. So that will be equal to 5. Then again 3 by 1 into 1, that is 3. Again 6 by 2 into 1 is 3. Again 12 by 2 into 1 is equal to 6. That is 9 by 3 into 1, that is 3 is a 9. And 10 by 5 into 1, that is 2. And here 4 by 2 into 1 is equal to 2. In this way, you will find out the adjusted frequency or length of the rectangle. Now, we will draw the histogram for this. How will we draw the histogram? Look here. This is also known as what? Adjusted frequency. Adjusted frequency. Okay. So we'll take the class interval on x-axis, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 17. So it will be equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. And we will take this adjusted frequency on y-axis. That is starting from 2 to maximum 6. We will take from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. थोड़ा ज़्यादा है ना? That is 7. Y. Right? Now.
Sir, only 1 minute is.
Yes. अब इसमें ग्राफ ड्रॉ कर देना है आपको. अब इसमें ग्राफ ड्रॉ कर देना है. कैसे ड्रॉ करोगे? That will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Right? And from 1 to 2. So ये जो आपका हो गया, this is 8 हो गया, 8 years, 8 years. And on y-axis, this is your adjusted frequency. This is your adjusted frequency. ठीक है? So from 1 to 2,